right, so this is the activity that I did with my students with Play-Doh. This is the first time that they've been introduced to fractions, okay? So I did it using Play-Doh, okay? So all you just need is a little Play-Doh and you have a little butter knife or a plastic knife. So the first thing you do, roll it into a ball, okay? And we can use the Play-Doh to represent parts of a whole or parts of a total. You can cough, it's okay. All right, so once you make the ball, go ahead and press it out, and then you're going to make a half, okay? So here we go, just cut it down the middle. Here's your half, okay? So we can also create fourths. So the goal is to have equal size sections, okay, as equal as possible. So here's fourths. So you can say, show me 3/4. So they would take a piece away and they would have 3/4. Show me 2/4. Okay, you would take another piece away, that's 2/4. You can also connect it to equivalent fractions. So if I have 4/4, that's a whole. Remember when I had a half, when I cut it in half, okay? So how many pieces, how many fourths would I need to equal to a half? So the answer is 2/4. 2 of these fourths will equal to that half of the circle, okay? So if I wanted to model how many pieces would be for 1/4, this is 1/4, okay? What about 4/4? All the pieces together would be 4/4 because 4/4, okay, 4/4 is the same as a whole, okay? So once again, if you want to make some more fractions, you can. I'm gonna do let me attempt to do a 6th. Can't remember. So, okay, and then some notable fractions that we use on a daily basis, like a pizza or a pie, a ruler, making sure that students understand that is a part of a total. Okay, so down the middle, on the sides, and across. So let's make 8s. We'll go across again. Okay. So once they separate the pieces, okay, in a perfect world, these are all, equal size. Mine kind of aren't, but you would say, give me or show me 5/8. So they would take away 3 of the pieces, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the pieces left would be 5/8. Okay, same thing if I want to see 7/8. So I would put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the pieces together. If I want to see 8/8, that's all of the pieces together. Okay, and that gives me a whole. So making sure that students understand 8/8 is the same as a whole. Okay, if you wanted to use different shapes, you can. So you can create a triangle. In order to create a triangle, flatten out your Play-Doh and just cut a triangle out. That's the easiest way to do it. So you got your triangle, and you can cut your triangle. You can cut it in half. Okay, so you can show halves on different shapes. Okay, you know that this represents 1/2, this represents 2 halves, or 1 whole. Okay, and I mean the kids just like playing with the Play-Doh anyway. So that's it.